we discuss resonance. In series and parallel resonance, you see what is resonance? Resonance in electrical circuits consisting of passive and active elements represents a particular state of the circuit when the current or voltage in the circuit is maximum or minimum with respect to the magnitude of excitation at a particular frequency. The circuit impedance being either minimum or maximum at the power factor is unity. If you see here, either current or voltage is the maximum or in minimum, at the time your impedance is maximum, minimum or maximum, you see, and that is the consisting of passive and active elements represents the particular state of the circuit, that is called resonance. Depending upon the arrangement of passive elements in the circuit, resonance is of two types: series resonance and parallel resonance. You see, first we discuss your series resonance circuit. One is series resonance, another is parallel resonance circuit. Here RLC, resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected in series. Here alternating voltage is Vm sin omega t. Omega is the angular frequency and current I passes through this series circuit. Then what is the impedance? R plus jx. Here what is L and C are combination, that's why R imaginary part is XL minus XC. What is the value of XL? Omega into L. What is omega? Omega is the angular frequency and X is your 1 divided by omega C, and you know omega is equal to 2 pi f, means angular frequency is equal to 2 pi times of the natural frequency. And from this the reactance part X is equal to 0, means this part is equal to 0. Omega L minus 1 by omega C is equal to 0. You see omega L is equal to 1 by omega C, means 2 pi FL is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi FC. And from this equation f square is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi square LC. And if you calculate f0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi LC. That is called resonance frequency. And what is the, for series resonance circuit, what is the resonance frequency? 1 divided by 2 pi LC the root over. That is called resonance frequency. And you see next thing, power factor. Okay, you know power factor, that is your ratio of resistance to impedance, cos phi is equal to R by Z. For this circuit, Z is equal to R. Why? Because we take the reactance X is equal to 0. If Z is equal to R, R by R, that is 1 unity. Means power factor cos phi is equal to unity. And we know V is equal to I into Z, I is equal to V by Z. If Z is equal to minimum, I is equal to maximum under resonance condition. If Z is minimum, I is equal to maximum under resonance condition. That is the phasor diagram. You see, here the resonance frequency is f0 at the maximum Im current, Im by root 2 RMS current. You see here f1 and f2. When this f0 means current is maximum, Z is minimum. Okay, and f1 and f2 are the lower and upper half frequency. Okay, then bandwidth is equal to f2 minus f1, means upper half frequency minus lower half frequency. The difference between f2 minus f1, that is called bandwidth. Okay, clear? Next you see properties of series resonance circuit. The circuit is purely resistive, means the total reactance X is equal to 0, then the only resistance part is present. That's why purely resistive. The power factor is unity. The current I is maximum and the impedance is minimum. The voltage and I, current I lying in same phase, and resonance frequency f0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi L0 root over. Bandwidth is equal to f2 minus f1. And you see what is the value of f1? F1 is equal to f0 into 1 minus 1 by 2 q0, and f2 is equal to f0 into 1 plus 1 by 2 q0. What is q0? Q0 is called quality factor. What is the definition of q0 or quality factor? It is defined as the ratio of voltage across the inductor or capacitor to the applied voltage. It is denoted by q0. Q0 is equal to voltage across the inductor divided by applied voltage, or voltage across the capacitor divided by applied voltage. VL by V or VC by V. What is VL and VC? VL is the voltage across the inductor and VC is the voltage across the capacitor. Okay, then you see how you calculate q0. Q0 is equal to your omega 0 L by R, or 1 divided by omega 0 C into R. Then what is selectivity? It is defined as the ratio of resonance frequency. Resonance frequency, it is defined as the ratio of, it is defined as the ratio of resonance frequency to quality factor, means f0 divided by q0. It is defined as the f0 by q0. Then we will discuss now parallel resonance circuit. Okay, you see parallel resonance circuit. Here the alternating voltage is V and current I, and here R and L taken in series and C with parallel, then that is your Z1 and this one is Z2. Then impedance Z1 is equal to R plus J omega L, and admittance is equal to 1 divided by impedance 1 by J1 Z1. Okay, and if you calculate for this parallel resonance circuit, you can get, you see, at resonance you get the f0 resonance frequency is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into root over 1 by LC minus R square by L square. If you calculate for this parallel resonance circuit, the resonance frequency f0 is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 1 by LC minus R square L square root over. Okay, next you see, and you may be write in this format, f0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi L0 root over whole into 1 minus 1 by q square or q0 square root over. You see, f0 parallel this one. Now we discuss the parallel resonance circuit, and this one is the resonance frequency of the series. Then f0 series means series resonance frequency, this one into root over of 1 minus 1 by q0 square. Okay, then you see what are the properties of parallel resonance circuit. Okay, you see properties of parallel resonance circuit. Here power factor of the circuit is unity, current at resonance is minimum and it is in the phase of applied voltage, net impedance at resonance is maximum. Okay, you see, if the resonance current at resonance is minimum, impedance is maximum, that is L by CR. Then the admittance is minimum, admittance is the reciprocal of impedance. And what is f0? F0 resonance frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi whole into 1 by LC minus R square by L square root over. Okay, then that is your resonance frequency. If you take this type of parallel resonance circuit, means your two resistors are present, R1 R2 LC. Here R1 and L are connected in series, R2 and C are connected in series. Then you see, if you calculate the resonance frequency, f0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi L0 root over, then to whole into L by C minus R2 square divided by L by C minus R1 square. If this type of circuit is present, this one is the resonance frequency. And if we'll take R, L, C are parallel, then you can easily get f0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi LC root over. Okay, these are known as the resonance frequency. Today you know what is resonance and what is the series resonance circuit, parallel resonance circuit, and what are the properties of series resonance circuit, properties of parallel resonance circuit, and what is power factor, what is quality factor, and what is selectivity. Okay, and some numericals asked from this chapter. What are the numericals? Suppose maybe ask calculate the bandwidth. If they ask to in a circuit calculate the bandwidth, you see here, if you calculate the bandwidth, how you calculate, and you calculate f2 minus f1, then you put the formula of f2, put the formula of f1, then q0, how you calculate the quality factor vl by v or vc by v, then you will easily calculate the bandwidth. Okay, thank you, we will continue. That is all about your module 4. Okay, then you just read carefully. Thank you.